Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Tariq and you're watching Random Explorer. Today I'm going to start my journey towards Namibia, and it's going to be a wonderful and adventurous journey, so just stay with me. And today is the second episode of the series, and we're gonna start from Krugersdorp Strait, and we'll cross two cities, Magaliesburg and then Koster. I'll make my videos as shorter as possible to engage you guys with the videos. So in this episode we're gonna cover around 110 kilometers, and then we'll stop and we'll make another video. So just stay with me. Okay, let's start the journey. Alright, it's 6 a.m. in the morning and temperature is 18 degree, and it's pretty wonderful day. So it's three of us in the journey, myself, Tariq, Mr. Rashid and Mr. Atif. So we're gonna three of us throughout the journey, and then yeah, you will like it. I want to mention one thing, that early morning with the chirping birds is always peaceful, like it's make you relaxed and calm. And everybody who wakes up this time, it makes his day very wonderful. We're gonna fuel up first, and then cleaning off the windshield, and then heading towards Magliesburg. Alright, we're done with fueling, and then we're gonna heading down towards Magliesburg. It's really wonderful morning. Just check this out, how beautiful it is. One thing I will let you guys know, that the countryside of South Africa, it's one of the best in the world. Like, I travel across many countries, and then I never found these kind of landscapes, and especially in the weather, like it's really good. You see all of the weathers in this country, just like Australia or some Asian countries. Not really cold, not really warm, it's just pretty nice. So that's why I decided to travel across these three countries. So let's explore like what we have in these countries, so those who did not have a chance to visit, so they can enjoy my videos, and then they can have an idea that how to travel in these countries, border crossings and all that. So that going to be helpful for those who want to travel in Africa. Alright guys, we have reached Magliesburg. It's a very little small town situated below the mountain range of Witwatersrand, and this town is very popular for farming. So basically, we took Highway 14 from Featherbrook, and then we head down towards R24, where is Magliesburg, and then we gonna go towards R509 towards Koster. So far we traveled 49 kilometers from Featherbrook to Magliesburg, and then there are about 72 kilometers ahead of us towards Koster, where we're gonna end up of this episode. Just feel the vibes of that early morning sunshine. Alright guys, we have reached Koster. It's also another small farming town with a population of around 2300 people, so it's not that much big, but it really have a beautiful countryside.
Please turn right in 200 meters and continue to follow R500
So the time has come to end up this episode. I would say stay blessed wherever you are. Thank you very much and see you in the next episode. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.